Okay, I guess this is the calm before the storm. It's usually beautiful sunshine this time of day. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning. It's getting a little windy. Some of my neighbors have their shutters up. You can see over the fence. I have nothing. I never think of these things until it's too late. But we'll see. We'll see. Boy. Okay, I started doing my intro on my other camera that has a better mic attachment, but the battery died, so we're stuck with this one. Well, today is Tuesday, September 27th. They closed the office today and tomorrow so that we can prepare for this Hurricane Ian, that we're probably going to get some effects. We're definitely going to get some effects from it, whether it hits or not. Even if it just drives by, we're going to get wind, a lot of water, a lot of rain, whatever. We're just sitting and waiting. I was going to go out and clean. I don't know what to clean. I want to get things secure on the lanai, and then I'll clean the lanai once this thing goes by, because that thing floods even when it rains. I'm going to do all the wash, make sure all the wash is done and clean and put away. Maybe vacuum. Probably use this office as my safe space. It's one of the very few rooms in the house that have hurricane-resistant windows. So we'll see. We're going to ride it out. We'll be fine. I have to go out and maybe get some more gas. We have generators. We have water. We have plenty of food. So we'll be okay. We're just going to sit and wait for it to go bye-bye. Stay tuned. Well, this is a bad storm, people. I should have left. It's scary. I don't know what to do but sit here and wait for it to pass. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Maybe I should welcome myself back to my own channel. It has been a horrible week. We were hit really bad with by Hurricane Ian. Lots of damages. Some towns are totally decimated, totally gone. So I'm actually kind of grateful I still have a roof over my head. And I tell you one thing though, next time I am in that cone, I am getting in my car and leaving this state. There is no way I am going to sit through that ever again. I've been through a lot of hurricanes, but that one was the worst. Absolutely the worst. I just wanted to come back on real quick and say hello. It's been 8 days with no power, no water. I was able to finally take a hot shower after 8 days. So excuse me for looking kind of icky, but I didn't put any makeup on. I just took my shower, got a load of wash in the machine. Feel so much better after that shower. I just wanted you to know that there's a lot of cleaning coming up. There's a lot of cleaning to do in this house. And I just wanted to let you all know that I'm fine and I'm back.